We are pleased to show you the 2011 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better fuel economy, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated outside mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.